My name is Carol, and I've been attending the second Pension Sector Governance Workshop hosted by Finnet Institute at the Prideinn Paradise Hotel in Mombasa. It's one of the very best conferences that I've attended. They had specific expert areas that they got their experts to come and speak about in strategy, in governance. We had legal people coming to talk to us about data protection, some of the things that are very key, especially in pension industry and in the wake of what's happening currently in the country and in the world. I have learned about the importance of having ICT and robust ICT practices in the pension scheme, as well as strategic development and strategic implementation for the growth of a pension scheme, and for trustees to be able to understand what it takes to come up with the best strategic plan that you can have for your scheme, so that indeed the trustees can be great leaders, not just good trustees, but great leaders. We've also learned that we need to have data protection policies, have consent on pictures, names, data that we have of our members, of our stakeholders, and their consent on us to use the specific images, the specific information, without us contravening any of the laws. We also learned that where the pension of the future is going, we don't have to be stagnant. We have to think about our retirement right now in this space, but in the same space, remember that we're still living now. So even as you're planning for the future, even as you're investing for the future, remember that you also need to be able to live well so that you can enjoy life now and enjoy life in your later years of retirement. All in all, very rounded, very comprehensive workshop. I would encourage anyone and everyone to plug into Finnet, and they have exciting courses that are coming up. They have one every month in different locations, and from the experts that they have, we have professors, we have doctors, consultants who are leading in their specific fields. I would urge everyone else to come in and join in training held by